Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Pastel Talks. I am right here in Lisbon by the Tagus River. I am Fotini and today I'm gonna break down the 5 scammy behaviors affiliate use to treat your program. The bigger your program grows, the more important it is to spot the red flags early. So stick around. I'm gonna share practical tips that will help you prevent affiliate fraud before it causes damage. Alright, let's go! The most common type of affiliate fraud, bidding on your brand terms with Google Ads. This one's sneaky. You're ranking organically for your own brand name in Google, but suddenly an affiliate runs a paid ad using your brand name. Their ad appears above your organic listing, and all those clicks, they go through their affiliate link, which means you're now paying a commission to someone who just hijacked your own traffic. Not cool. That's exactly what happened to Hunter after they launched their affiliate program. They noticed several affiliates were bidding on their brand keywords, which is a classic fraud behavior. So they reached out to the support team at Rewardful, and we helped them shut it down using the traffic source control feature. So how do you protect yourself? Here are 3 simple steps. 1. Make sure your affiliate terms and conditions clearly say no bidding on branded keywords. 2. Keep an eye on your Google search results. If you see affiliate links showing up in places they shouldn't, that's a red flag. And 3. If you're using Rewardful, enable the traffic source control feature, just like Hunter did. With traffic source control, you can block traffic from domains like Google, Yandex, or Bing. So bad referrals never even make it to your site. It's that simple. Now let's talk about typosquatting. If you haven't heard of it, typosquatting is basically when someone creates a fake version of your domain, like this. Then they build a copycat website, and it looks just like yours. Same design, same pricing, even up-to-date content. But every link on that website tagged with their affiliate ID. And it doesn't stop there. They mirror your site so perfectly that anyone who lands there by accident, usually from a tiny typo, has no idea that it's fake. Meanwhile, the fraudster is getting paid commission on your traffic. So how do you prevent this? Here are 3 key steps. 1. Use automated tools to monitor for misspelled or lookalike domains. 2. Set up alerts for suspicious traffic sources, especially those using off-brand variations of your domain. And 3. Once again, be crystal clear in your terms and conditions. If someone tries to spoof your site, they're out. No commissions, no second chances. Next one of the all-time classics. Someone signs up for your affiliate program, then buys your product using their own affiliate link. Boom! Instant discount. Or worse, you give them a coupon code to share with their audience, and instead they post it all over coupon sites to rack up commissions. It's not just sneaky, it can cost you a lot if you don't catch it in time. The good news, if you're using Rewardful, we've got your back. You can now disable self-referral emails, so affiliates won't get commission notifications when they buy from themselves. Even better, Rewardful automatically detects and deactivates suspected self-referrals, cutting off commissions before they're ever paid. And I know I'm repeating myself, but it's worth it. Say it loud and clear in your terms and conditions. No self-referrals, no coupon abuse, or you're out. This one sounds like sci-fi, but it's real. Bots are getting really smart. Some bots can now act like real users, moving the mouse naturally, browsing at human speeds, even filling out forms with believable info, which means bots can actually convert. And when they do, the affiliate who set it all up gets the commission. Sure, a lot of bots get blocked, but the smarter ones, they might still slip through. That's why a little extra protection goes a long way. Better be safe than sorry. So, what can you do? Use behavioral tracking tools to spot unusual engagement patterns. Things like perfect click paths or identical session times. Watch for suspicious conversion spikes that feel too clean or too fast. They are often a red flag. And set commission thresholds so new affiliates only earn more over time if they consistently send high-quality real traffic. It's all about being cautious without punishing the good guys. And the last one for today, stolen credit card fraud. Thankfully, it's not super common, but when it happens, it can be serious. An affiliate uses a stolen card to make a purchase and grabs the commission. Or, in lead gen programs, they might just fake contact info to get paid. What should you watch for? Keep an eye out for orders that get cancelled or refunded soon after purchase. That's a big red flag. Watch for customer names with obvious typos or that look like random information. This could mean fake accounts, just like this one. And be cautious when the IP address is from one country, but the payment card is registered in a different country. That's suspicious activity. Fight this kind of fraud. Tools like Stripe Radar can help flag risky behavior automatically. And if you're reviewing manually, trust your gut and pay attention to the patterns. Now, if you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I've got a great episode coming up next on how to structure affiliate compensation. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I am here for it. And now, if you'll excuse me, my pastel de nata is calling. See you in the next one.